As we use the machine over time with the platform coming in and out, what we might find is that the plate clips actually distort ever so slightly. So in this case now, I can actually move that fairly freely, which could cause us problems when we start to print. So what we're going to do is just to readjust those. So the best way for us to do that is to take the glass plate out. So clip on the left, clip on the right. Again, the best way to stop these from distorting is to bring pressure from the back center to slide it forward and then lift it out. So what it tends to be is the clips at the back of the platform which tend to distort. So what we can do is just hold underneath the platform and put a little bit of pressure on there just to bend that ever so slightly back, and repeat the same for the left hand side. And again, just putting a little bit of pressure on there just to bend that back into position. And then as we load the plate back in, that's then going to be nice and tight and it's not going to move while we're printing. That clicking position means that everything's nice and tight as it goes in. And also if there is any challenges with these two clips at the back, then we can use some pliers to help us get those back into the tension that's required.